The results of the NEED assessment survey highlighted that 1/3 of participants indicated difficulty aligning student work with content standards. While the survey indicated that most students are using web-based platforms to collaborate with peers, 75% of participants identified that there is no location, physical or virtual, for students to collect and display work that aligns with content standards. The majority of responses highlighted the lack of reflection in the learning process. Digital portfolios provides a location where students collect resources that reflect their learning and skills. It requires students to exercise critical thinking skills as they select work samples that represent artifacts of their learning and align them with content standards. Students reflect on the learning process and the evolution of their work. The Technology Initiative mission is for students at Middletown High School to establish and maintain a virtual portfolio that can be used to align content standards with formative and summative products. The web-based portfolio will serve as a chronologically sequenced repository for student work and provide opportunities for student reflection commensurate of a 21st century learner. The development of digital portfolios provides students a virtual location to collect artifacts of their learning. Students develop skills related to website design, digital platforms, digital communication, and digital citizenship. Additionally, digital portfolios offer students the ability to communicate their understanding through digital tools. The implementation schedule outlines the guidelines and timeline related to professional development, cohort selection, and the evaluation of the solution. Following 6 weeks of development, the Technology Initiative will be introduced to the faculty through a step-by-step tutorial. Optional training will be provided for 3 weeks prior to the selection of Cohort 1 users. The selected core subject teachers will be provided comprehensive training on the development and incorporation of digital portfolios during the workday at scheduled times. Continued support will be provided in small groups or individually as needed. Students and teachers will participate in a reflective survey that indicates the perceived effectiveness of the solution during week 21 of the implementation plan. Quantitative data will be compared between courses that share common assessments at the end of the year evaluation. The expected outcome of the Technology Initiative is to increase student achievement through the development of critical thinking skills associated with selecting learning artifacts that align with content standards. The reflective nature of the solution should increase student responsibility and involvement in the learning process. The acquisition of 21st century skills related to the development and maintenance of web-based portfolios and digital communication is expected as well.